Go.
Really good.
What are you eating?
Spirulina cereal.
Spirulina cereal.
It's a superfood.
Superfoods consist of
27 apples or something, or pieces, and spinach. I love spinach. And carrots and broccoli.
really
I think so.
apples,
And everything
spinach,
healthy.
broccoli. What else?
And carrots, I think.
That's why it is called superfood.
Also with okra, I think.
With okra too.
Yeah, I think so. This is what we think because Mom said something like that. And to top it off, it's good too.
It's good too.
At the hot.
Careful, it's still hot. I'll get the box. I'll check.
It's not hot anymore. Sludge. What crime did you commit? You just wait to go to prison? Maybe assault. Just punching someone. Easy way.
So guys,
That's all.
so this is how it looks like. So one box contains of how many pockets? 30 sachets.
It tastes good.
Yeah, it is.
Don't forget to check the expiry date.
Expiry date. Okay, expiry date is matagal pa naman, 2026.
Can we put more water? Just some more.
Yeah, you can eat it like that. It's serious. Sabi daw pampapayat din yan. It's a meal replacement for those who want to reduce weight.
It has wheat.
Oh, ito pala. So, ito.
The ingredients. Wheat cereal with spirulina food and supplement powder or something. I always have everything in my bag. It's all in my trolley. Where's my N1?
Pwede siya sa mga bata na hindi.
Okay, my N1 is also there, right?
Kasi kompleto na siya. You can eat it like that.
Like this.
Yes, like that. Say bye-bye na, guys.
Bye.
Till our next.
Our next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.